My name is Daniela. I am 9 years old. I come from Uganda. Thank you so much for sponsoring me.
Greetings from Uganda. On behalf of our church partners and the Compassion staff here in Uganda, it's a great joy for us to be with you. Compassion Uganda currently serves with 444 church partners. Together we serve babies, children and youth, a total of 130,000 of them.
The past year, of course, has been a very difficult year for us as a ministry. There was a lot of uncertainty.
With COVID-19 disrupting almost everything, many small businesses could not survive within the first and second month. You have adults who are locked up in small homes with a sense of hopelessness because their little businesses have gone away. They don't know how to feed their families the next day, and that mixes up with mental health issues. And so we had so many cases of children that are facing abuse. For the 12 years that I have been with Compassion, we have not had a season in which we have read so many reports of children that have conceived underage.
We have also had children affected by floods in southwestern Uganda, and of course Compassion came in to avail disaster support, but those are some of the challenges that are affecting children apart from COVID.
COVID-19 has threatened dreams of children. Our church partners did whatever they could to make sure that these children live with a sense of hope.
Our major focus areas have been in the area of child protection. In the area of household security, we ensure that the beneficiaries are food secure. We have income generating activity support. A number of beneficiaries have accessed funds to revive their businesses that had collapsed. In the area of meeting the children's health needs, we have continued to do what we've always done, and also their education, of course not forgetting the spiritual needs of the beneficiaries.
Compassion, I think, more than ever, pushed our boundaries. And to be honest with you, there is nothing that brought me great joy like seeing this ministry allowing ourselves to put out those boundaries and meet children's needs, whether they are on our program or not on our program, as long as they are in need.
We had such a beautiful story of one of the mothers that was abandoned, and moreover there were strong winds in that community and the roof was blown off, and of course the shelter was affected. Through Compassion support, we were able to renovate the shelter for them, to provide the household needs that had been affected because of that disaster.
A youth on our program had received a gift from his sponsor that he was able to translate into a sewing machine. He discovered that most of the people in the community were putting on masks, but their masks could not cover the nose and the mouth. So what this young man did was to take the measurements and the guidelines by the Ministry of Health. He began making masks, and he was able to begin selling within his community.
Dear supporters, we can't thank you enough. We bless the Lord for each one of you.
Your work and your labor is not in vain as you continue to advocate for children through your giving.
Love you so much, and God bless you.
We are praying for you.